McDonald's! Hey! Hi! Oh my god! Who ruined my hibernation? Where's my freaking McDonald's? Give me my McDonald's back, you fat freaking ass! Kill you. Oh my god, what happened? I was trying to hibernate until summer. It's spring, you shouldn't be hibernating, boy. I don't care, I still want to hibernate until summer. What the hell's all this commotion? Well, this fat boy ate all of my McDonald's, boy, and he won't give me it back. I mean, it's in his freaking stomach, you freaking idiot. How is he supposed to spit it out? What, are you gonna make him throw it up and then you're gonna freaking drink this throw up like a dog? You know what? Come to think of it. Sit, doggy. Sit, doggy. Sit, doggy. I'm a fox! Okay, I'm pretty sure that still counts, doesn't it? I'm gonna kill you, Moit. Sit, doggy. Sit. Ow! Jesus Christ, what's wrong with you, man? I'm not a doggy. I'm a wolf. I'm a fox. I mean, not a wolf. Give my McDonald's back. You know what? I'm gonna pop this fatty. Whoa, hey, that was very offensive. Fat people don't pop. Second of all, that's very, very cruel. That's just a baby. Kirby's a baby. Well, I mean, this is what happens when you eat my McDonald's, Moit. No, I don't think this is a good idea, Foxy. Don't. Nightmare Foxy to you, retard. I'm gonna pop him. No, don't do it. I'm gonna do it. Don't do it. I'm gonna do it. Don't do it. Ah, shit. He did it.